Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. This is a haunted house, and it's a flying flicker. Check it out. And notice on this model, I cut out some pieces of paper to make windows and I glued them on. And it makes it really look like a haunted house. But I think it even looks cool without the windows on it too. This is just from plain black commie paper. And this is what you get, and it flies just as good. And alright, let's get started. So to fold this model, you can use any square sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of commie. And the windows, obviously, I just took sheets of paper, I cut them out, and I glued them on. But I'm not going to do it with the one I'm going to make. I'm just going to keep it black. But yeah, just make windows to taste. Alright, so the first step is we're going to begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold, rotate, and fold in half the other way. Okay, unfold, and now we're going to blend. So fold the four corners to the center. Alright, so we have this, and now we're going to rotate like this, and we're going to make a kite base. Actually, I think it's easier to do this step, just having it oriented like this. So hold the layers down so they don't slide like this, and we're going to fold this edge to the middle line. And make sure it comes to a nice point at the end here. And don't unfold that, rotate, and do the same thing. Fold this edge to here. Hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, so this is going to be the roof. So we're going to rotate, and you should have an existing crease right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold on that existing crease. Just like this. And now take this corner and bring it to the top. And make that fold nice and sharp. Okay, unfold, turn over, and we should have two creases here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the lower crease and we're going to fold it onto the upper crease. So we make a valley fold right in between here. It kind of looks like a witch's hat too. Okay, and turn over, and let's make this fold nice and sharp. Since this is a flying flicker, we need to make our folds nice and sharp, so that way it's nice and flat. Alright, so there's the roof of the house. And now we're going to turn over, and this is kind of a tricky step. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this layer of paper, and we're going to make a fold in between this middle point and this point. So it's a valley fold, and we're just doing it on this layer here. Like this. Okay. And go in there and crease that sharply. Alright, and now we're going to just lay it flat on the desk and just squash it. However it squashes, just squash it naturally. And then make it sharp right here. There we go. That was a little bit tricky, so if you weren't able to do it on this side, well, you got another try on this side. So here we go. Same thing. Just kind of lift this up, and we're going to make a valley fold in between this crease and this point. And it's just on this layer. Okay. And crease it sharply. Alright. And now flatten it, place it on the table, and flatten however it flattens. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to rotate. And we're going to fold this up. How much? Well, I don't have an exact reference for this fold. You want to take this corner and you want to fold it somewhere on this edge. Just about right there is good. And I do have one guide mark. You could fold it up to the edge so the fold we're making is parallel with the middle. But I think the house will look more haunted if I make this fold to a slight angle. So it's kind of slanted this way a little bit. Just slightly. In my opinion, it just makes the house look more haunted. But yeah, it's totally up to you. And once you're happy with it, crease sharply. Okay, now comes my favorite step of the whole model. This is a pretty cool lock. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this up right over the edge. Crease sharply, unfold, and now we're going to open the pocket. And since my paper is black, it might be hard to see, but yeah, there's the pocket. And just tuck the corner in there, like that. That's a pretty cool step. I like that step a lot. And see, it makes a nice lock. Alright, and repeat that process on this side. So, fold this up. And I'm folding this corner to the edge. And I'm making this fold slanted a bit this way. Just to make it look more haunted. Okay. And then now, fold this up right over the edge. Unfold and open the pocket and stick it in there. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to fold this up. How much? Actually, you could fold this corner to the intersection of this line and this crease. So right there. Yeah, I got a guide mark for this. This could actually be to taste, but you do want to make sure that you're folding this point beyond this edge. But yeah, I'm just going to just fold to the crease right there. Okay. And now, lift this up. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to lift these two sides up. And we're going to just stick this point inside of there. So, this is a little bit tricky, actually. But just do your best. Just kind of work it in there. And you want to kind of just open here and just continue that fold all the way across to fold on all the edges. But once you did that, close back up. Make sure everything's nice and sharp. And we got the house completed here, but I'm going to kind of keep these two edges down a little bit so it won't pick up the air when it flies. So to do that, you have to kind of make a little fold for this, but I think it would probably be better if I just fold it on this side here. So just fold this in a little bit, just like that. There's no reference for that, just fold it a little bit. And make that really sharp. Or if you really want to make this model fly better, you can tape all this down, but I don't really like using tape in origami. I like to make origami as pure as possible. Oh yeah, that's right. Repeat on this side too. Okay. Alright, and now just give it a little bit of curvature. This is also what makes it fly a lot better. Oh, and also to keep these flaps down, let's just kind of fold them in half or pinch them. And that's what keeps it down. Alright, and now let's just give this model some curvature. And then once you did that, your haunted house flicker is all done. And it's pretty cool looking. And what's really cool about it is that you can make it really look like a haunted house by just cutting some little pieces of paper out. make them look like windows, and then glue them on. And you'll get something like this. So yeah, you just hold the model like this. And I flick usually like right here on the roof. Or you can also just hold it like this with the roof facing away from you. And flick right on this edge. I think that's better actually. Alright, now I'm going to show you how this model flies. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to flick the one with the windows on it first. So here we go. Now put this one right on top of the camera. Okay. Oh, did you see that? I just hit the light. Okay, now I'm going to hold it like this and flick on this edge. So let's try it. Let's see if this makes a difference. Oh, did you see that? I just landed on my desk over there. It didn't fly very good because I flicked it a little too hard. It didn't spin a lot in the air. So let's try that again. Oh, that was better. Oh, look where it landed. Well, you can't see it. Okay, oh, there it is. Now let's try this one. This one might fly a little bit better, actually. Because there's nothing on it. Yeah. I think the windows on that other one might be picking up a little bit of air, and it's keeping it from flying better. Okay, now I'm going to hold it like this and flick on this edge. See if it makes a difference. Oh yeah, that one flies way better than the other one. So yeah, alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that haunted house flicker, and enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.